He was the son of a legend. People said, he's just lucky. He's only famous because of his father. But Michael Douglas didn't stay silent. He worked hard, proved them wrong, and one day, he held an Oscar in his hand. This is the story of a man who turned doubt into success. Chapter 1, Born in a Big Shadow. Michael Douglas was born in 1944 in New Jersey. His father was Kirk Douglas, a very famous actor. His mother was also an actress. People thought Michael would become famous easily. But for Michael, it was not easy. His father was strict and didn't give compliments. Michael always felt like he was standing in someone else's shadow. Being the son of a movie star is not a gift. It's a challenge, he once said. Chapter 2, Finding His Own Way. Michael didn't start as a big actor. He went to college in California and joined a small theater group. At first, he worked backstage, moving props and fixing lights. One day, an actor didn't show up. Michael got a chance to act. And that moment changed everything. He felt alive on stage. He decided, I want to be an actor. But not like my father. I want to be myself. Chapter 3, His First Big Break. In 1972, he got a big role in a TV show called Streets of San Francisco. He worked with Carl Malden, a great actor. Michael played a young police officer. People started to notice him. For the first time, people said, he's not just Kirk's son. He's good. Chapter 4, Big Risk, Big Win. At age 31, Michael wanted to try something new. He became a producer. He bought the rights to a book called One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. Many people said, this movie will fail. But Michael believed in it. He worked hard and made the movie happen. It became a huge success. The movie won 5 Oscars, including Best Picture. Michael showed the world, I'm not just an actor. I can create amazing stories too. Chapter 5, The Role That Changed Everything. In 1987, Michael played a powerful businessman named Gordon Gekko in Wall Street. The character was smart, greedy, and bold. His line, "Greed is good," became very famous. Michael won an Oscar for Best Actor. Now people saw him not as Kirk's son, but as Michael Douglas, a star with his own name. Chapter 6, Real-Life Challenges. Behind the fame, Michael had personal struggles. He had problems with alcohol. His marriage had problems. And in 2010, he got very sick. Doctors said he had throat cancer. Many people were scared for him. But Michael didn't give up. He fought the cancer and got better. I'm alive not because of luck, he said, but because of love and strength. Chapter 7, Family and Legacy. Michael married beautiful actress Catherine Zeta-Jones. They have 2 children. He is also a loving father and teacher to young actors. He helps new filmmakers. He tells young people, if you want people to remember your name, make your name mean something. Even now, he still acts in movies and shows, like in the series The Kaminsky Method on Netflix. Chapter 8, What We Can Learn from Michael Douglas. Michael Douglas's life teaches us, you can be born in someone's shadow, but you can shine your own light. Don't wait for chances. Create your own. Life is not always easy. But if you keep going, you'll rise again. Don't let people tell you who you are. Show them who you are. Did you enjoy this story? If yes, click like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Let's keep learning English with real stories and real inspiration. See you in the next story.